Like in Arka Dhyana system of meditation, I introduced Saru, Govam, the special sound. I emphasized so much on your own sound energy. You're capable of regenerating your own energy. Incredible, isn't it? It's your energy which comes back to you. That's the beauty of nature, magic of nature. I wondered, how come? Anything you say, you do, you think, some manner response come back to you. That's like wonderment. That it means nature is constantly walking with us, observing us, and living in us, and simply ready to motivate us, inspire us every moment.